Mustard green has a unique taste and smell. It is often used to make preserved vegetable. However, I'm sharing a simple recipe that uses fresh mustard green. Very simple and easy. Here are the ingredients. 900 grams of fresh mustard green or kai choy. Wash and clean. 20 grams of salted preserved bean curd. This is what it looks like. 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Half tablespoon of sugar. 3 bird eye chili. This is optional. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil and 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. The full list of the ingredients is in the description box. Let's cook. So we are going to start with cutting the mustard green. Cut and remove the hard stem at the bottom. Remove the white stem from the leaves. Cut the stem into long strips. Now for the leaves, we will cut it slightly larger pieces. Alright, the leaf and the stem are separated. Put them into separate bowl as well. So I'm going to complete cutting all of this mustard green. These are the mustard green that are already cut and washed. Let's cook. Heat the pan and wait for it to get hot. Put in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil. Bird eye chilies and the preserved bean curd. Stir for about 1 minute or until the bean curd and the chili release their aromas. Now add in the mustard green stem. Give it a mix. Add in the sesame oil, oyster sauce. Sugar. Stir the vegetable. And cover the lid. Let it simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. See, the vegetable has released quite a lot of gravy now. Add in the mustard green leaves now. Stir fry until the vegetable is slightly soft. Cover the lid and let it simmer for another 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the lid. All the stems and leaves should be cooked now, as they have become soft and release a lot of gravy. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, so tasty! Lastly, we add in crispy fried shallots for lovely fragrance. Give it a couple of stir. And it's ready to serve. I will only serve the vegetable and leave the gravy in the pan as there is too much gravy. We still have half of the crispy fried shallots. Sprinkle on top. Let's eat. Lovely. There is slight bitterness, but it's very tasty due to the bean curd. These two ingredients goes really well together. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more home cooked recipe like this. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.